Hi, my name is Bree Clark, and today I'm going to show you how to draw UCL in Excel. UCL stands for Upper Control Limit, and it's a line that can appear on a chart to show whether your other values are above or below that limit. In this file, you can see I have a chart with some temperature values plotted from 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. And I already have my upper control limit listed for each of those. Note that it's important to have the same value across all of the x-axis values, in this case, the time. Now I'm just going to right-click on my chart and choose Select Data and click Add to add a data series. For the series name, I will select cell D1, and for the series values, I'm going to select cells D2 through D8. Then I'll click OK and click OK again. Now I have my UCL line appearing across the top of the chart, and I can see that all of my values are at or below that limit. My name is Bree Clark, and that's how you can draw UCL in Excel.